2022 Peugeot 308 SW debuts today, to add a touch of class to compact wagons. European brands still have faith that the station wagons have good potential among customers. Peugeot is one of them, unveiling today its slinky 308 SW to take on the Volkswagen Group's trifecta: Seat Leon Sportster, Skoda Octavia Combi, and the VW Golf variant. The 308 SW is arguably one of the prettiest compact wagons on the old continent, as it largely carries over the hatchback's attractive design, while throwing a longer roof into the mix for greater practicality. We could honestly do without the faux exhaust tips, but those are a trend nowadays, and we will have to tolerate them for a while. Being a wagon, it's all about the cargo capacity. It jumps from the hatchback's 412 liters to 608 liters, which, even though is not segment leading, the 308 SW still offers more than you'll probably ever need. Should that not be enough, folding down the standard 40-20-40 split rear bench increases the volume to 1,634 liters and enables the possibility of loading an object longer than 1.85 meters. Compared to the previous 308 SW, the next generation model is now 6 centimeters longer and has been lowered by 20 millimeters. The width of the front and rear axles has been carried over, while the windshield has a more swept-back layout to give the wagon a sleeker look. Compared to the regular hatchback, the SW has the rear overhang stretched by 21 centimeters to create a vast cargo area.
Subscribe to Auto TV.